Dear viewers, today we will discuss concept of markets and prices. First of all, we will read about what is concept of markets, and then we will read what is prices. What are prices? In concept, basic concept of prices. In economics, markets and prices are crucial in determining how resources are distributed as well as the levels of output and consumption. Markets are systems that connect buyers and sellers to conduct transactions for the exchange of products and services. Prices, on the other hand, represent the relative scarcity and desirability of the goods and services that are being valued. Prices are established by the interaction of supply and demand in a free market system. The law of supply states that as a good or service price rises, so does the quantity that is supplied of the good or service. Whereas the law of demand states that as a good or service prices rises, so does the quantity that is requested of that good or service. The market equilibrium, which determines the cost and quantity of a product or service, is the point where the supply and demand curves intersect. Prices are crucial in determining how resources are allocated because they tell producers and customers whether a product or service is scarce and desirable. Low prices signal abundance and motivate consumers to increase consumption, while high prices signal scarcity and motivate producers to increase output. The cost of manufacturing, while includes the cost of labor, capital, and raw materials, is also reflected in prices because producers are driven to reduce expenses and raise the quality of their products. In order to contend with one another in the market, markets also offer incentives for innovation and efficiency. Consumers may profit from the increased efficiency and lower prices brought on by this competition. Inefficient resource allocation can result from market failures because markets are not always ideal. Government action may be required in these situations to address market imperfections and guarantee effective resource allocation. Overall understanding how a market economy functions and how resources are distributed to satisfy consumer needs and wants depends on understanding markets and prices.